Alright, Jiri goes again. Oh, Sham God! Rush, you're not bad at all. You're not bad at all, my killer friend. Yo, what do you know about brand? Puss? Nah, I forgot. Luxury pullover. Puss? Nah, what do you know about clothes? These guys are shortening my dinner. See this? Look at this, guys. Rochelle, big chef. Real good girl. Heat up food.
We're here in Nagoya hotels. Service time here now. Oh, thank you, sir. So double video.
Don't worry about that, man. So me edit this blood fire. Sorry for you. Anyways, people see this is the type of life we live in here, you know. Lavish! People, day number few. Chilling with the crew. We have one new addition. Rush Ravers, isn't me? Freshest in Japan. Puss not out here. Everybody masked up. Social distancing. Puss not. Last night's biggest loser. Today he's going to reduce himself. He says he's going to beat me in table tennis and pool.
The thing is mean, sir. I'm gonna hear you guys in silence.
What?
That's really close.
I know. What you say? What you say?
Say come in.
What you say? He's going to work.
I know, as in coming in the elevator from.
No.
Okay.
So the man said, "Don't even beat the word with silence." You hear that, Jiri?
True rush day.
To rush there, but who humble himself. Alright, so we're here outside in our west exit. We've been here since about 2:58 waiting on this 3 o'clock bus. I don't think it's coming. It's a free shuttle bus, but we're going to have to probably charter a taxi to go with it. Some people might not be happy with that, but it is what it is. You know, the bus there. The bus there, people. Go in the bus. Go in it! See what I'm saying? Coaster, back to Jamaica. Coaster bus.
Is he on the white?
Yeah, the city is so wild. Yo, we arrived. We have arrived. Hold on, wait, hold on. What is it? I know. If Andre, yes.
Let me tell you something, man. If Andre beat me in table tennis race, man, I will literally.
I just punk that. People, we're inside. Table tennis over there. You have to pay 300 yen extra for the drink bar. He said, didn't we pay extra? Oh, we didn't pay extra, Andrew. Andrew, see your thing here, gun shooting, man. Andrew's favorite thing. It's not calibrated properly here, man. Yo! My side. Yeah, my side. Alright, so Andrew beat me a while ago. Andrew beat me in pool a while ago. So, yeah. For third, you know? Anyway, Gio go play him now. Yo. People. Think what we're there for the main event. The main event. For years, talking trash. Talking trash here. Yeah, man, we're out here, guys. We're out here. Basketball, volleyball, everything there. Puss not. Russia, what do you think we win this game here, man? Hilarious. Bars. He has the ball. See what he pull up now. What will he do? Jerry Mills. Oh, fake try. Oh, he pulls back. Andrew, and he goes. Drives at Andrew. What do he do? Oh, nice. Layup. Oh, that's 2. 1 point. 1 point for Jerry Mills. 1 point for Jerry Mills. Oh, what would he do? Oh. Andrew bites at the fake. Oh, he goes up. No, what is he doing? Oh. No foul. Play. Big boy rules. Andrew can. Oh, he goes right. Oh, will he pull up? Yes, he does. Oh, brims out. Unlucky like LeBron James with many women. Let's go. Here, Jimmy pulls up there. I'll try to contest shot. Oh, it's a basket in his face. Andrew Cannon egg in his face. Jerry Mills with the money maker. Make your mama shake a little like her. Ooh, off the back rim and it's outside, is it? No, he can't.
I told you that fence is outside, brother.
Okay. It's a very small court, and both players look already tired after taking 2 shots. But we're here, okay, enjoying the view out here in this COVID game. Oh, that looks like a carry. That looks like a carry, but the ref is playing old school rules. Andrew backing him down like Lavar. Oh!
Whoa.
Andrew traveled like Lavar ball, making a trip out there. Here we go. Jerry Mills gets the ball again. And it's all black versus the white man. Oh, through his legs.
Whoa.
Oh, did he go outside? No, he retrieves the ball. Shot. The disrespecter. That's outside. That has to be outside, Jerry.
He made the rules.
All right, G, let's play the lines. Let's play the lines. Okay, the rules are outside is the line, not the wall. Let's go. It's a small court, but it's Japanese size. So let's go. Bars. Oh, here, Andrew Khan has the ball again. What will he do? He's trying to hold the ball over his head and trying to taunt him, trying to make him look like he's small. Andrew is 6'3", Jerry's 5'11", and Jerry's playing his defense. Oh, tough defense there. Andrew tries to post up. He goes up. Oh, like Kevin Durant against Cleveland Cavaliers in the finals. He pulls up in his face. Oh, he tries to go for a quick sneak shot, but it doesn't matter. We don't score because it's just entertaining watching these guys. Here they go. Oh, Jimmy, he bites at the fake. Oh, he misses. Oh, I know what's going on now. Okay. Oh, Andrew for the long ranger. In and out, in. Oh, my God. He's more lucky than Irish. More lucky than Portia Simpson Miller when she won the elections 2 times back to back, back to back. Oh. Jerry Mills here trying to make a comeback. Oh, I think he can't dribble again. He has to shoot here, folks. He puts it up. A prayer. Oh, Lord, he could have asked for more there. Jesus did not answer that telephone call. It was a long distance. He doesn't take collect calls, people. Long range shot from there. Oh! Jerry Mills, will he score? Nope. Oh, this game is degrading into low quality game of shooting here. Oh, and he scores. What's the score? That's 5? Andrew Khan here is leading Jerry Mills 5 to whatever his score is. He shoots again. What, how much you got? 5-3. They're going to 11. Old school rules. You know what I mean? He's fading. Like a shadow fade and a haircut. Oh, it's off. Andrew Khan has the ball. If Andrew wins, he will talk. If he loses, he still talks. So it doesn't matter. Andrew always talks. So there's no way you can beat him in any debate. We're here. Okay, he drives past him. Oh, he goes. Oh, is it a block? Is it a foul? What is it? It's something, but Andrew gets the ball. Here is the one fan. One fan out here. Enjoying the game so far?
It's lit.
It's lit. The girl said it's lit, so it's lit. And then we get some food later. I don't know what we're eating, but people going to be hungry. What is Andrew doing? Oh! Oh my God! Oh my God! Did he just do that? The camera trick is really amazing. Like anime. Andrew's out here schooling Jerry Mills here. Oh, it's rimmed out. Oh my God! If that went in, Jerry will be real trouble because it's now 7-3.
Come on.
It's 7-3, right?
It's first and 10.
First 11. Jerry here looking a bit thirsty, like these Japanese girls in the clubs. What we're getting on? Go with it. You get a bit desperate here with a long range shot. Oh, it's 7-5. 7-5. Again for the tie. Oh, a bit desperate there, like a housewife in LA. But let's go. Oh, they're getting a bit hustling here. The camera work is shitty, but we don't care. It's about the value of the commentary. Ah! All right, Jerry goes again. Oh, Shamgod. Oh, what a style. The girls are impressed. The girl is impressed. Ooh, Andrew has no grip in his shoes, but he's going to blame it later. Let's go, Andrew now in his Air Force Nike thing. Oh, bites on the fake. Will he score? Ooh, that's so disrespectful. It's like he doesn't have a mother. It's 7-5. 3. Miller asked the score to try and look cool, but he didn't score, so he doesn't count. Oh, is that a foul? No. Oh, well done. He goes up again. Oh, he fouled. Oh, and one. He didn't make it. He called the and one. The first and one call all day. Andrew looking a bit tired here, like an old man. He's no longer young, spending all night out the night before. Oh, Jerry doing a little old school. Pressure, come now. Kick it past me if you're bad. Yeah, man, I look for you. At the camera, man, I look you ready. Come on, man. Yes. All right. Yeah.
Because I'm not very good at this.
If she go look at, if she hits the crossbar, I go in my yard, you know, right away. back to Chiba right now. A joke, I have to go
You
to.
want to go to Nagoya?
Hey. I don't like this. I don't like this at all. But 3 hour rush for big fit blood cleat. Trouble!
I'm kidding. Tell us scored.
Can I move the ball back further? Should I give my advice? You know when you get advice.
No advice, the soldier, bad man.
When you shoot, look how you read the paper.
Thing. It was a bad man friend from Spanish Town. Bad friend man from Spanish Town, how it stay? Oh, alright! 1 point target, 1 shot. You're not bad. You're not bad. Rush, you're not bad at all.
Better.
You're not bad at all, my killer friend. So this man doing over here.
If you will stop left based on the adjustment that I made.
Let's look at there, man. Much, that's what I mean. A very eventful day here. Many videos have to be deleted for whatever reason. We don't know.
Political circumstances.
Yeah, man, we're there as friends. I wanna jump. Alright guys, we're leaving round 1 Spocha. And of course, Andre was the winner today. Number 1 champion. Andre won Mario Kart. Andre won table tennis. Andre won several other things. And he's the boss.
Well, is it the same point?
Yeah. Alright, we catch a burp and yeah man, we catch it.
Good.
Girl say hungry, girl hungry.
Rounds.
Alright, we're there now. Food time. This is Andrew's favorite portion of the segment here. 3 pizza. Got 5 people. Yeah.
Alright,